Okay, now I'm going to get some sound effects for the video. I'm going to use the Technology Read folder, which is in the Common Drive. I'm going to go to Sound Effects, and I'm going to start with Battle. And I'm going to take 336 and drag it right over into my Tech Enrichment PNG folder. So we're going to take that one, drag it into here. I'm also going to take 339. I've pre-selected these. And then I'm going to go back here and get another category here, which may seem unorthodox, but it's going to work, I think. And let me find my folder again. Here's Tech Enrichment, PNG right there. And then we're going to find 326 and 31. Now, you don't use these. You're going to find your own. And the other one I want is 331. I'm going to try some of these and see what happens. So notice how I'm moving those files into there. I'm not pulling them off the Common Drive because everything's got to go in the folder that we're using for the project. Now when you come in here and you add media, you're going to see those sound effects in here. So I'm just going to add all of these. You can select multiple items by holding Shift down, and we'll get everything between there. Now we can open. And then you can play these. So the first one I'm going to do is 336. We'll drag this in here. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so that's obviously an ending sound. And then let's try another one here. 339. And you can see that it explodes too many times. So I'm going to drag it over here and work over here. We've learned how to split. We're going to split that into one sound effect. So I'm going to go here and then hit S on the keyboard, which is going to split it into two chunks. I'm going to get rid of this chunk over here. This thing can be moved back at the end of the video so we can just see how the timing goes here. You can also stretch things. So if you just pull on this, it's going to duplicate it, but if you hold Control down, you can see how the icon changes to time stretch. And you could time stretch this and make it last longer, and then we can see how that looks. Sounds a little funny, but it might work. Or you could undo that and just move it back a little bit, just adjust it. All right, one of the other things I was going to put in here was this other sound effect. It's kind of different. Okay, so that's maybe not the best choice. Let's see here. Let's try this now. Okay, so we're going to go with that. So I can trim this so I get the beginning and move this over. The scream might be a little dark, so we'll take that out of there. We'll get rid of the scream. Yeah, we'll take that out of there. It's a little twisted. All right, and then we'll put this back with the move. We'll see what we get here. I may just stretch this. Go so Control and time stretch that. And then let's see what we've got here. And then we could add some more PNGs that were cut out with like some smoke coming up or something like that.